Okay, can you spot the difference? No, right? All the screws are quite similar, looks alike, but underneath it's really a difference. So let me show you under the UV light. Okay, if you see this, okay, and if you look at this, a lot of white stain, right? White stain. And if you look this next one, you look at this, none, right? Now you look at the far left. If you look at this, there's a lot of white stain on the thread. This one, no. This one, yes, right? And then this one, no. Why? Because this one I've coated with the hydraulic oil. Now, how do we remove the hydraulic oil? Right? So, what we will do is we will clean it with using contact cleaner. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to use contact cleaner. We're going to clean it. Right? So, okay, I'm going to clean it with contact cleaner. Right? So contact cleaner is supposed to remove any dust, any particles all on it. Okay? So now leave it dry. Let me place it back. Okay, let me place it back. And we have one more. Let me place it back. Okay. Okay, we have cleaned it with contact cleaner. Now let's view under the UV light. So this is the one we are comparing, and this is after cleaning. Okay, then the next one, this is the previous we are comparing, and this is after we clean. So anything else? No. Right? So this is the difference that we can see under the UV light.